Okay. So eosinophils ये भी phagocytic cells होते हैं. This means they are capable of eating things. They have the receptors for immunoglobulins as well as for the growth factors and complement component on the cell surface. I wish I able to explain all these things to you. First, let's see eosinophils का job क्या है. Their primary function is to secrete chemicals, and their job is extracellular killing rather than intracellular killing. They perform specialized function involved in hypersensitivity, especially when there is a parasite or a protozoan is out there. Sometimes the parasite is too big for the cells to eat. So eosinophils क्या करते हैं? They came close to the bad thing, the parasite and protozoan, which is quite big in size, and they start secreting the chemicals and make the life of that parasite hell. Okay? And they also promote inflammation. The cytokines, interleukin 3 and interleukin 5, they promote eosinophil maturation from myeloid precursor cells. That means the eosinophil, they came from the myeloid precursor cells, but when they started expressing, when they started receiving the cytokines, when they started feeling the cytokine called interleukin 3 and colony stimulating factor as well as interleukin 5, they will start converting into a mature eosinophil. A mature eosinophil is the one which can release chemicals and kill the parasite, nearby parasite. These cells contains, look at this point, these cells contains receptors for immunoglobulins. What that means? Immunoglobulins are very important players of our immune system. Their presence indicate immune action. Their presence indicate an immune function at certain place. A cell like eosinophil is required to get activated or not. Whether a eosinophil should activate and start releasing the chemicals or not. It depends on the signal they receive. In order to receive those signals, they should have receptors which can sense something, which can sense the immune signal, which can sense the other players of the immune system. So now read that line once again. They contains receptors for immunoglobulins. What that means? If the immunoglobulins are there, the eosinophils can feel them. The eosinophils do have the receptor which can allow the eosinophil to sense the immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins जो ना antibodies होती हैं immune system की IgG, IgM. I will tell you अगर इसके बारे में generally नहीं सुना हुआ. So when they sense the immunoglobulins, what that means? The action is required. They need to mature and then secrete what? Secrete the extra. They should secrete something which can kill the protozoans or the parasite outside the cell in the vicinity. Also, they have receptors for the growth factor. It's not required, but you should know. A receptor for the growth factor means if the growth factor is there, the cells will grow. They do have the receptor. They can sense the growth factors as well. And they can sense the complement components as well. That I will explain later. Okay. The complement components and FC portion of the antibody I will explain. But let me, I desperately need markers. मैं immunology whiteboard पे पढ़ाता हूँ बहुत सारी. ये online की वजह से ना अब हम इससे थोड़ा सा दूर हैं. So I need to use my words to create things in your head. Okay. Just draw it. If you remember the antibodies, Y color की होती है ना, Y shape की होती है antibodies are like Y shape. Not all the part of that antibody is responsible in communicating with the receptor. उस Y का एक छोटा सा portion होता है, just a very small portion of that Y is actually interact with the receptor. That small portion is quite variable. इसको antibody का variable portion भी कहते हैं. The variable portion of the antibody. It is different in different antibodies. But that one small part which is variable is able to connect with a certain receptor. This is also called as FC portion. Also called as FC, Forman Christian College portion, FC portion, which communicate with the receptor. So इसका आम जुबान में आसान मतलब ये है कि eosinophils can answer the call of immunoglobulins, can respond to the growth factors because they do have the receptors, and they can respond to the complementary factors, complementary components of the antibodies as well. इन सबको जवाब दे सकते हैं, इन सब के ऊपर रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकते हैं. Eosinophil is not supposed to do anything until unless it is required. Somebody needs to tell them, oh भाई जागो, start doing their job. और वो सब कौन है? Antibodies, immunoglobulins, and other factors. Okay. For example, let's move further. This is an example. You can see that how eosinophils are able to kill. This is the comparison of the cells, erythrocytes, and their size. But you should think about this picture. This brown colored stuff is a parasite. It's an external parasite. Too big to be captured or too big to be phagocytosed by the macrophages. So you can see the two eosinophils here. They are trying to squeeze it and they release the chemicals, and those chemicals will going to kill that extracellular parasite. So the growth factor will help the cells to grow big as well as to secrete the chemicals. So if there is a parasite over there in one part of our body, the eosinophils will going to execute their function, will going to secrete things to kill that. On the other hand, the lysosomes, they do the jobs in a different way. They capture the bad things, create a food vacuole, and then lysosomes will connect with the food vacuole and will kill whatever is present in that food vacuole. That might be bacteria, that might be another type of protozoan, that might be a small microorganism, who knows. It's a different thing. But if the invading alien invading pathogen is quite big, the eosinophils are required to kill the bad thing with the help of their secretions. Extracellular killing karne ke liye. Okay. Another important cells are called as the mast cells. They're also present in the immune system, innate immune system. They are bone marrow derived cells. They're present in skin, in epithelial cells. They have inflammatory mediators. The most famous of them is histamine. Histamines. They are chemotactic factors as well. Sometimes a chemical trigger a cell to execute its function. Sometimes a small molecule, sometimes a protein, sometimes a cytokine help the cells to execute its function. ये innate immune system है, कहीं गड़बड़ आएगी तो इसको execute करना अपना function. So it can do its job when it is got activated or triggered by these chemicals. One of them is histamine. Histamine is important. ये आप याद रखें, काम आएगा. They can respond to the complement components called C3A and C5A. इसको थोड़ी देर तक बर्दाश्त करें, 1-2 लेक्चर्स तक. Complement components को हम इसको अलग से पढ़ेंगे. अभी मैंने इतने बताया कि they are the portions of the antibodies which can talk with the receptor, which can talk with the cells, as well as receptors of the FC portion of the antibody molecule. Now you can get FC portion of the antibody. Antibody का वो वाला portion which is variable. Not total antibody, just one small little part of that Y which can connect itself with the receptor. तो इनके पास वो receptor है जो antibody के FC portion से communicate कर सकता है. That means if the antibody IgE is there, if the antibody IgG is there, if these two antibodies are there at that one part, what that means? The mast cells will got activated. The mast cell will go activated once they found the immunoglobulins like IgE and IgG. Once the mast cells got activated, they release their secretions. Certain molecules, histamine is one of them, I shared. They activate other members as well, like eosinophils, उनको भी activate करते हैं. Histamines release करते हैं. And what happens because of those secretions. They increases the permeability of the blood capillaries of that place, at that place. इसको बोलते हैं vasodilation, ये आपने सुना होगा पहले, जिसमें expansion होती है arteries की. It's not about arteries, it's about blood capillaries. Blood capillaries की wall already single celled होती है. Blood capillaries की wall already single celled होती है. But once the histamine is there, mast cells are secreting those chemicals. It increases the permeability of the walls of the blood capillaries. ये क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि इससे पहले, if you remember the lymphatic system, lot of material is released, is leached out from the blood capillaries, and that material is called as lymph. और उसमें क्या होता है? Lymph cells, lymphocytes होते हैं, members of the immune system होते हैं, which are doing their job. Now we need more cells to execute the job because it's a site of infection. So at the site of infection, because there is a need of more molecules to execute the job, the walls of the blood capillaries got more thinner. They become more permeable because of those chemicals. So now more cells will be leached out. We have more immune cells at that place. We will have more immune function at that place. It's very logical. कभी कभी खुदा ना खास्ता आंख में इन्फेक्शन हो जाती है, if you remember, तो आंख सुर्ख हो जाती है. कुछ लोगों की वैसे भी हो जाती है, आंख सुर्ख हो जाती है कुछ लोगों की. वो जो आंख में रेडनेस हो जाती है ना, तो डॉक्टर से ड्रॉप देते हैं, डॉक्टर नहीं देते, मेडिकल स्टोर वाला एक ड्रॉप देता है जो उस पे पढ़ना, उस पे लिखा होता है एंटी हिस्टामिन. बिकॉज ऑफ द हिस्टामिन, blood capillaries present in the eye, they got vasodilated. उनकी थिकनेस कम हो जाती है. That is why they become more, the blood is become more visible. हमें आंखें सुर्ख सुर्ख दिखाई देती हैं. जब आप एंटी हिस्टामिन डालेंगे आंखों में, the anti histamine will going to delete the histamine at that place. Vasodilation को suppress करेंगे और ultimately redness जो है वो चली जाए. But the redness is an indication कि यहाँ पर कोई लड़ाई हुई है, कुछ हुआ है यहाँ पे, यानी कि कोई इन्फेक्शन थी, उससे फाइट की, मास्ट सेल्स थे, एसिनोफिल्स थे, उन्होंने कुछ लड़ने की कोशिश की है. दैट इज व्हाई द ब्लड कैपिलरीज बिकम डायलेटेड, एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द वे. ओके, बेसोफिल्स के पास भी यही वाले केमिकल्स होते हैं इस तरह के. दे रिलीज हिस्टामिन्स, ल्यूकोट्राइन्स, प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन्स. जी काशिफ
सर, अगर पैथोजेंस जो है वो अगर इन्फेक्टेड सेल्स जो है वो अगर तब भी आई में प्रेजेंट हो और हम हिस्टामिन्स जो है वो खत्म कर दें, तो इम्यून सेल्स उसको कैसे कंट्रोल करेंगे?
इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन कि अगर इम्यून फंक्शन हमें चाहिए तो हम पागल हैं बीच में इंटरवीन कर रहे हैं. हम एंटी हिस्टामिन डाल के हिस्टामिन्स को, क्या पता हिस्टामिन की जरूरत हो, क्या पता वाइजोडाइलेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड और नॉट, एंड दैट इज द डिसीजन ऑफ अ डॉक्टर. That is why we should consult a doctor who is able to interpret the state of that immune function. जो हिसाब लगा ले कि इस वक्त हमारी आंख जंग जीत रही है कि जंग हार रही है. Sometimes there is an overreaction, जैसे डर्ट पड़ गई आंख में, आंख में कुछ लोगों का इम्यून सिस्टम भी खासा ओवर एक्टिव, आंखों में मिट्टी चली गई है, या कोई ऐसा केमिकल चला गया आंख में जो कि हमारी बॉडी में तो नहीं गया, बट फिजिकली टच द आई सरफेस एंड ऑल दिस, तो उसने ये एक्शन किया है. The doctor should be able to know कि अब ये गड़बड़ वाली बात नहीं है, वो फिक्स हो गया है, the dirt is removed, now it is fine to go back to the normal. So ये बात बिल्कुल दुरुस्त है, and that is why a doctor is required.